Let's build an email list from scratch in 3 simple steps. People ask me all the time, how do I build an email list? You simply build an email list by giving away and or selling something that provides value to people that they're interested in. They get what they want, you get what you want. 3 steps. 3 steps to build your email list. Right here they are. Step number 1, buy some PLR content for your email autoresponder. Click the link in the description. 52 weeks of Tweak Your Biz Tuesdays AI-assisted PLR emails. You are going to get all the emails that you need to load up and start building an email list. I'm going to give you a bonus to help you understand what it is you're monetizing here and some additional steps that you can do once you follow up or once you start the initial step utilizing step number 1 of getting this PLR. The second one is about using PLR and AI as a dynamic duo. That simply means you're going to take the PLR that you have and make it better. We're going to go back and we're going to look at step number 2. Get a free email autoresponder account. Link in the description. Click it. Sign up for GetResponse. It's your free account. It's the one that I use, and that's all you need to do in that step. Simply then go back to step number 3. This goes back to the side hustle that I talked about in this video up here just the other day. Set up a product for sale on Gumroad. Click the link in the description. Join Gumroad. Once you log in, you're going to go over and you're going to click on products. You're going to go over here and you're going to click new product. Then you're going to click here and name your product. It's going to be a digital product. You are going to set a price, and your price could be whatever you want. For example, it could be $1. That's a great way to get started in this. And then you have a list of buyers. So then you're giving away a product. Or you're not giving away a product, you're building a list of buyers, but you're actually giving free value, or you're giving value way above what the price of your product is. Here, you need to come up with a name of the product. To do that, go to ChatGPT. Of course, bonus number 2 is PLR AI, the dynamic duo. It's going to help you do exactly what I'm going to show you here. Of course, this is going to deep dive way deeper than what I'm about to show you, because here on the bonus page, when you click the link in the description, you click Get It Now to get those bonuses. It will take you over to the sales page, and this is all of the PLR that you're going to get. What I'm going to do here is I'm just going to copy all of these emails that we're going to be sending out. This is going to be our product. Of course, you have to purchase this to get the license to do this. Don't do this without first purchasing the license. Link in the description to get the bonuses. Then you're simply going to use something like this in the form of a prompt or just starting the conversation. I'm going to build a product that sends out 52 emails, 1 email a week, and I need a name for the product that says exactly what they will get. Those are the people that buy it, and the benefit of the product. Below are the emails I'll be sending, and then I pasted in the emails that I bought the license to. Then you can see right here, 52 weeks of growth, your digital strategy accelerator. Then you simply just copy that, go back, put that name into Gumroad. Here you go. You're going to customize then the new product that you've created. You're going to give it a description. It's going to be your sales copy. You can write that sales copy using ChatGPT, and then you're going to create a cover and a thumbnail. You can get all that from inside of Dolly, inside of ChatGPT as well. And then you just set up your product information. Also, once you create the product, I said here you could charge $1. You can also do this. You can set a minimum amount, and you could set a suggested amount. Here, the suggested amount, you might want to charge, say, $12, or you might want to charge $52. Up to you. But at that point, you can allow customers to pay what they want, to give them a better idea, or to let them get a feeling like they're getting a better deal. Of course, they're getting the best deal that you can give them, because you're going to take the time. Once you actually click the link in the description, you're going to go over, you're going to see 52 weeks of Tweak Your Biz Tuesdays AI-assisted PLR emails. These are brand new emails, 52 weeks of emails. You're going to get the bonus Operation Codex, and you're also going to get the second bonus, which is going to be how to actually take this PLR, combine it with AI, and create something that will transform your content game and boost your sales with cutting-edge rebranding techniques that I use, that I've gone through many, many times. I've shared a lot of that here on the channel, but here I've distilled it all down into one simple report of Volume 8, where I show you exactly how to make money online with PLR and AI. And it all starts with purchasing this PLR. which goes back to the 3 steps to build your email list. Step number 1, link in the description, buy the PLR. Step 2, sign up for GetResponse, build a contact list, set up an email autoresponder. Once people buy the product over at Gumroad that you configure or that you build out and configure and set up the sales copy, you configure that so Gumroad will send that contact information over to GetResponse. GetResponse will add it to a contact list. It'll kick off the email autoresponder every week for 52 weeks for whatever they chose to pay or whatever you set the price of your product. You will build your email list of buyers from scratch. It's just that simple. Any questions, ask in the comments. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.